How to enable tap to wake the display of your Amazfit Active 2 smartwatch and also change whether it's a single tap, a double tap, or off. Starting from the clock face view mode of your Amaz Active smartwatch here, the Active 2, swipe down from the top like this here, go into the settings by tapping on this icon here, then go to where it says display. As you enter into the display section, go down until you see tap to wake. Tap to wake, when you go in it, you have single tap, which will wake up your screen with a single tap on the display, or a double tap if you prefer that. And of course, if you don't like this feature, simply put it to off, and whenever you tap or double tap your display while in the off screen mode, it will not wake up. But if you want it to wake up, you can choose from either one of these here, okay? And it's really up to you to make that decision, like and so.